What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog and today, samahan nyo ako since malapit ng birthday ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung best or pinakamalaking birthday gift ko sa sarili ko sa buhay ko guys. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel and hit this notification bell button there for you to get notified for my upcoming vlogs. So guys, are you excited? Biggest gift ever to myself reveal. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Please fasten your seatbelt and join me on this flight. Taking off, let's start! There you have it guys. So yun yung biggest gift ko sa sarili ko this year sa aking birthday. Kasi guys, it's been years since I'm dreaming of having my own space. Naging swift yung process, naging madali talaga, and I know it's really for me. Kasi bigla na lang dumating yung offer. Well, I've been talking to several agents or brokers and lagi ako nag-inquire sa mga iba't ibang real estate na nag-offer ng mga units na meron sila. And eto, for now, eto yung best na offer para sa akin. And soon, maybe, baka kumuha pa ako ng isa or maybe bahay or townhouse. So, di ko pa alam. But for now, yun yung best. Since, guys, I'm renting this place, guys. Well, I've been living here for almost 5 years this coming March. So, mamimiss ko yung place na to. Dito ako actually inabutan ng pandemic. Dito ako nag-start maging independent talaga nung nag-start na ako mag-fly as a cabin crew sa domestic. Until now na nakalipat na ako sa international for a year already. Maybe, it's about time lumabas tayo sa ating comfort zone. Wow, naging ganun. Anyway yun, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng support ng mga friends ko, family, at sa lahat ng brands guys na naka-work ko this past few years kasi part kayo ng pag-achieve ko sa aking dream na magkaroon ng sarili kong unit and space. And hopefully soon, mas marami pa akong makakollab na iba't ibang brands and malay natin, magkaroon ulit tayo ng mga TV projects, commercials. Well, di natin alam. Minsan kasi kusa na lang dumarating talaga yung mga ganyang projects. So, ayun guys. I hope na na-inspire din kayo sa aking biggest gift reveal na vlog. This is just a quick vlog. So, eto lang guys. Soon, magpo-post pa ako ng vlog about sa mismong unit. Kasi guys, plan ko siya ipa-interior. I want it to be aesthetically designed. Wow. So, ayun. So, depende guys talaga sa makakausap ko na makaka-close kong deal ng mga contractor or interior designer. Pero sana may isa akong kausap na interior designer. Sana siya na talaga. And hopefully ma-feature din ako sa vlog niya. So, baka may idea na kayo guys. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Stay awesome and always wear a smile. Flying with you soon.